Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and customize captions on Sharp Android TV. To do it, go to the settings in top right corner, then go to device preferences and go almost all the way down to accessibility until you find captions. Now you can enable them. You'll see a preview here at the bottom. You can change the language. I'll leave it on default. Then change the text size to like very small, small, normal, large, or very large. I'll set it to small. Then let's change the caption style if you want. You can set it to white and black, black and white, yellow and black, yellow and blue, or custom. And in custom there's a lot of things that you can do. You can change the font family, the text color, as well as the text opacity. I'll actually set it to blue. Text opacity can be changed. The edge type, like an outline for example, and edge color. Then you can enable background and change the background color. And yeah, that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.